As I said, violence faced by Dalit women is very different from general violence against women. Very clearly, the perpetrators of violence, including upper caste men and also women who are implicated, various forms of abuse and violence which are very different. Like I said, dedication as Devdasis and Joginis, that's something only reserved for Dalit women. Public acts of humiliation, stripping, parading naked and other extreme forms of violence are always faced by Dalit women. And another one very important is this whole area of backlash violence, or in terms of a revenge violence, violence against the community and the women, which the Dalit women are used as a tool for that. And the thing with, I think the violence against Dalit women, why I say is different, is that the deep-seated institutional biases that exist make the barriers to justice for her very different from another caste woman. Starting from the police to file the FIR right up to the conviction levels, because of the underreporting, the threats and intimidation that she faces, her entire family faces, and there's intergeneration of violence. You know, the daughter is raped this year. Few years ago, it's perhaps her mother or her chachi or somebody else from her family. So I think these patterns and trends that we see are extremely different, and that's why the caste-based gender violence needs to be understood, analyzed and then addressed differently. I think the need of the hour right now is like we need an entire, entire system to look at all different aspects of this. And then, as you know, the changing structures and systems that exist within society is not easy. And when such kind of really deep-seated biases, those who are not aware, we can teach them. But those who are aware and who are actually perpetrating violence based on that power, then the challenges are manifold. So I think right from prevention, having socio-economic, political systems of lifting this whole community out from the centuries of oppression is needed. That's why I kept on saying that when we talk of gender justice, or when we dream of gender justice, how is it possible when this society is so deeply stratified based on caste? And I'm not speaking only on behalf of Dalit women, for all women. It is the same discriminatory system where every woman is entering. So that's why I said that it's only possible when every stakeholder would understand this fact, and that it's not a battle of Dalit women alone, but that for every woman, from the margins to the center, from the poorest to the most marginalized, only then we can build a better world for them when we dismantle this.